The Westchester man accused of killing his wife and 3 members of her family in 2019 is back in court today. This after a jury deadlocked in his trial last month. As David Winter reports, today's proceedings show just how contentious this case is.
Gurpreet Singh shackled now that he is awaiting a retrial resulting from last month's hung jury. 3 motions today, the first 2 not unusual, a defense motion for an acquittal, which was denied, the defense attorney's motion to bow out of the case, which was granted. But it was the state's motion for Judge Greg Howard to recuse himself that was unusual. Prosecutor Mike Mosier saying the judge had a bias towards leading the jurors toward a mistrial. The prosecutor pointing to the judge's decision not to replace 2 feuding jurors, to deny the jury's request for a witness transcript, and towards this piece of evidence, a representation of a plaque that the prosecutor says is in the judge's chambers in full view of attorneys before him.
It tells all that anyone needs to know about your bias towards attorneys on both sides. Not just the state, not just the defense, and all attorneys that come before you for whatever reason. It tells who you are, who's in charge, and who we are as attorneys.
The judge says he feels he was fair and impartial in this case, and he feels he shows respect, restraint, and proper judicial professionalism toward everyone.
Apologize if I offended anyone by anything in my office, but it doesn't show to me the type of person that I am.
The now former defense attorney coming to the judge's defense, saying the prosecutor is scapegoating.
Refusing to accept the fact that 12 jurors did not find beyond a reasonable doubt that Gurpreet is guilty, and instead trying to deflect blame on other people's or the court, I think is wholly improper.
Judge Howard denying the prosecution's motion to recuse himself, appointing Singh new attorneys, and pushing ahead towards retrial. In Hamilton, David Winter, Local 12 News.
The prosecutor says he plans by Friday to file an appeal with the Ohio Supreme Court to recuse Judge Howard. He says Gurpreet Singh's retrial will happen sometime next year.